Are you tired of not being able to add a navigation menu to your Elementor-built pages? Learn how to add a custom navigation menu to your WordPress site in under 4 minutes. We'll walk through 10 simple clicks. Open your page in Elementor, find the navigation menu widget, select Menu 2, and update. This process takes less than 4 minutes.
Start by going to Edit Projects with Elementor. Then click on the highlight. Now, click on WordPress. Click on WordPress again. Then, click on Navigation Menu. Next, click on Title. Then, click on Select Menu. From there, click on the Select placeholder and choose the option labeled 2. Finally, click Update Changes to Page. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.